This video is for the first home buyers out there. It's a little information video about a new scheme, the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme that the government has initiated. What is it? Does it apply to you? And how does it help you get into the property market and get into your first home? Essentially, the scheme is designed to help people get their first home loan with as little as a 5% deposit. So traditionally, when you went to buy a home or get a loan, at least to buy a property, you needed to have minimum 10% deposit with most lenders. Even better off having 20% deposit. With a 20% deposit, you avoid what's called lender's mortgage insurance. So if you have less than 20% of the total purchase price, the lender will usually apply lender's mortgage insurance at the cost of the person taking out the loan. So it's an extra cost put on top of your loan, which is an insurance policy for the lender who's lending you the money. So the government will basically insure the 15% that you need with the lender to be able to take out the loan with only a 5% down deposit. And it can be used in conjunction with the FHOG, the First Home Owners Grant. So you can potentially have a 5% deposit, go to a lender using this scheme and obtain finance to buy a property. Also accessing the First Homeowners Grant, which in Ballarat, in regional Victoria, is up to $20,000 cash towards your purchase, plus a stamp duty exemption, which is fantastic. So who can apply, who's eligible for the scheme? There are a couple of key requirements that you need to pass before you can even put in an application for this. Essentially, you need to be 18 years of age and an Australian citizen. You need to have a taxable income up to or below $125,000 a year for singles and $200,000 a year for couples. So to be a couple, you need to be married or in a de facto relationship. You can't do this with your sister or your brother or your parents or siblings or something like that. You also need to be purchasing a property that will be owner occupied. It's not eligible for investment properties. So if you have any further questions about it, I'm more than happy to help you out with some guidance around the topic. And if you're looking in the market to find something, your first home, I'm more than happy to look for that for you and help you find something that's suitable for your needs. There's a few more criteria that we haven't gone into here, but look it up yourself. Google First Home Loan Deposit Scheme. You can go to NHIFC.gov.au to get the full details about who's eligible and all the criteria that you need to pass before you're able to apply for this. So if you're looking for property, if you're looking for your first home, contact me. Let me know what your criteria are. I'd be happy to help you and look forward to getting you into your first home and breaking into the property market.